It's all in your head.
Spring is only a couple of months away, and a lot of you are going to be wondering what types of bikes are available out there for you to buy. So we put a little list together here, and Street Fighter is going to help us go through it.
Beginning with the 1989 Suzuki Bandit 400, which is one of my personal favorites in good condition, can be found for approximately $2,000 in good condition.
I almost bought one of these bikes. I was seriously considering one of those to get back into motorcycling, but that is arguably a great looking naked.
Another largely overlooked motorcycle is the Hotdrop TR250 Interceptor, which can be found for approximately $1,000 to $2,000 in good condition.
This is a bike that goes largely unnoticed, and I'm surprised a lot more people aren't looking for it.
The Suzuki BR200 SE is a very capable motorcycle, relatively easy to handle in any and or all conditions, and very inexpensive.
This is arguably my favorite dual sport of all time. Easy to work on, easy to maintain, great gas mileage.
Riders of smaller stature may want to consider the TU250X5.
If you're not too worried about speed, this is a good motorcycle. It does have plenty of get up and go. It's got a lot of torque. It's air-cooled, fuel-injected. It's what they call a standard motorcycle. I actually like this bike. I use it in the MSF course. It has plenty of aftermarket accessories and easy to maintain.
Another excellent choice for beginners would be the Honda CB1, built in 1989 and 1990, but extremely hard to come by.
First looking to buy a brand new motorcycle, I remember this specifically when it first came out. In the showroom, I threw a leg over this bike, sat on it, very comfortable. I've heard nothing but praise about this bike. It's a really, really potent little package.
A favorite among many new riders is the Kawasaki Ninja 250R. Yes, it has largely gone unchallenged for nearly 25 years.
I believe when Kawasaki made this bike and kept producing it, they were kind of the mindset where, like, if it's not broke, don't fix it, sort of thing. It became a mainstay for many beginner riders for a long, long time, gone largely unchallenged. But a lot of new bikes are coming on the market, and we'll cover those as well in the next episode. So stay with us, stay tuned.